Hello folks, I'm talking in a low tone. Let me fix this because it is early in the morning and everyone's asleep. But I got a Stitch Fix, there we go, a Stitch Fix box. It's going to be a very busy week this week, so I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do the try on right away. But I'm doing a boring opening now. I'm using my finger now. There we go. But I thought I would show you the bundle and let's see what we got in here. I pretty much left it dealer's choice this time. I didn't put in too much of a request. Probably should have, because there's something I could have used, but Molly does a good job with style. Let's see how we did. Now, of course, in the box is my envelope with my invoice and styling cards for some things I have, and a note from my stylist, and I assume it is Molly again. She says it's fun to be styling a dealer's choice fix for you this time. So let's see how it works. Here's my bundle. Those definitely look like my colors, don't they? They really do. Oh my goodness, look at all those tags. There, that's better. Let's see what's in here. I feel a box. Oh, the color on this is beautiful. Green. This doesn't feel too thin either. This is a 41 Hawthorne top. And it has bell sleeves, but a narrow arm. And generally I don't like the bell sleeves that have the huge arm because they get into everything, but if they have a narrow arm, and this looks like it might be actually a 3/4 or an elbow length. So let's see. I think it's slimming to your arms if you have a narrow sleeve and then a bell at the end. We'll see how this fits. What's it made of? 80% rayon. It doesn't feel too thin though, because rayon sometimes is a little too thin for me. Now, this is a Bobeau sweater that I might have actually pinned. I have had my eye on this for a while. Oh, Bobeau used to make all their stuff in Mexico, and now it looks like they've switched over to China, which is, as you know, doesn't make me happy. We'll take a look at this though. It's a very nice shade of purple. This is the shade of purple I actually like. I don't like a reddish purple. I like a genuinely purple purple. We'll see. All right, this is a pair of Liverpool pants, but it is not regular jeans. They've got a drawstring at the waist. It's a color I really like. Pockets in the front. Yep. Pockets in the front. Deep pockets in the front. Pockets in the back. Definitely a color I like. Not sure about the drawstring, doesn't necessarily bother me. I usually wear my tops over my jeans. I don't tuck them in because my waist is so high. If I tuck them in, it would look like my head was coming out of my legs. And these are 1822 denim, Save Our Oceans, Reduce, Reuse, Recycle. They are sustainable jeans. I know 1821 is known for that. And I believe these are high-waisted, straight leg. I will have item names and prices at the end of the video after the try-on, so hang around for that if you want to find out the item names and prices, the actual brand, in case you want to request them. Something else I missed? I think there's something else I missed. Hang on a second. 5, there's a box. One thing I said to Molly is, if there's a lot of stuff like trousers or jackets or things that'll up the price, don't be afraid to put a scarf or a necklace in. A lower priced item so that I have the option of a 5 for 5. That's actually really pretty. I normally do gold tone instead of silver tone. I don't completely rule it out. These look like they're not pearls, but they're made to look like pearls. Oh, it's Nakamol. Made in Thailand. I like this. I really like Nakamol. I'm not much of a jewelry wearer, but I do like Nakamol. Handcrafted semi-precious jewelry. Unique, genuine, timeless. Our mission for over 20 years has been to provide underprivileged people with a dignified work environment to help keep their families together. I have a feeling I'm going to keep this no matter what. Okay, I really, really like how that looks. And again, I usually don't do silver, I use gold. My skin undertone is warm, but I think that's just really pretty. Wow. I have a feeling that's a keeper, no matter if anything else is a keeper or not. All right. I am wearing the 41 Hawthorne Tamzen bell sleeve pullover in a large petite. It is $58. Now this is mostly rayon. It's 80% rayon, and I forget what the other stuff is in it, but you can tell by the wrinkles that it's rayon. The sleeves are 3/4 sleeves that actually fall pretty much at the 3/4 mark. That's because this is a petite cut. On a regular cut, the 3/4 sleeves tend to be high wrist sleeves. These are still slightly long, but they're not as bad as a non-petite size would be. I also want to show you the material here. Although this is rayon, look at the little pattern on the sleeve there. Can you see it? It is a thick rayon, almost a cushiony, squishy rayon, which means that it's less likely to show every bump and bulge the way a lot of rayon will. It'll show a little bit, but not a whole lot. The trousers are Liverpool Kaitlynn Drawstring Palazzo Pant, size 12P. They are $88. Let me know what it looks like from the back. I don't know how well you could see that. The top I'm a little bit torn on. I think it's a little pricey for what it is. The color's nice, and I can't decide if I like the sleeves or not. I do like a narrow sleeve with a bell on the bottom, but I like it to be full length if it's that. I'm not sure about bell sleeves hitting at 3/4. What do you think about that? I like it when I do this and they kind of wave around. I do always like that. So let me know how you think this looks. All right, my last two clothing items. I am wearing the Bobeau Norma Mockneck pullover. They say this is blue, but it's kind of a purpley blue. Let me get closer. My camera tends to skew blue, but this is definitely kind of a grapish, purplish blue, which I quite like. It is a large petite. The fit's pretty good. It is a $68, which is a little bit expensive for this. During the wrap up, I'll let you know the material. I'm not sure what the material is. The other thing is Bobeau. I have a lot of Bobeau sweaters. Bobeau used to almost always make their clothes in Mexico. They, like so many other clothing manufacturers, have shifted to China. And if you know me, you know I lean against buying stuff made in China. So that's a strike against it. It's comfortable. The neck is, it falls, I don't know. I have my camera set up here oddly. Do you see how it falls a little strangely? It just sort of, I'm not sure about that. I do like the color an awful lot. I do like the color. The neck's a little odd. You take a look here at the sleeve and you can get a better look at the color here. It's comfortable. It is overpriced for what it is, I think. Now the trousers are 1822 denim, Devon relaxed, high-rise, sustainable jeans, only $49, and they're a regular size 12. I was wondering why the rise fit me so well. It does come a little bit down in the back. I tend to need a higher rise in the back than in the front because everything gets pulled down in the back. But they're pretty comfortable. What do you think of the length? So let me know how they look. Let me turn around. How they look in the back. These are a possibility. Now there's one other item in the box. I didn't put it on. It's a definite keeper. This necklace is a Nakamol necklace. I'll have more of the details during the wrap up. It is beautiful. I am not a big necklace wearer, and when I do, I usually do gold more than silver, but I really like this. I actually like how it looks with the sweater. I like these colors together. I already wore this. I wore this to Mary's wedding. I extended the return on my box a little bit, so I actually got the box a while ago, and now I'm doing the try on, and in the meanwhile, Mary got married. So I wore this with my dress to her wedding, and I was delighted with it. So I'll give you the price for this and a few more details during the wrap up. All right, wrap up. I am wearing the Bobeau Norma Mockneck pullover. They list it as blue, but I definitely consider this more of a purple. In size 12, it's not size 12, it is size large petite, and it is $68. This sweater is 97% polyester and 3% either spandex or elastane, I forget. And it does have stretch to it. I don't know, I love the color. I just watched the playback of the try on, and I think it looks a little dumpy on, not the most flattering fit. I feel like if this wasn't $68, it would be probably something I would really like. I'm not sure about the price. This item is made in China. So we'll see. Let me know what you think. I am also still wearing those jeans, the 1822 denim, Devon Relaxed, high-rise, sustainable jean, also made in China, size 12, $49. I think the fit's pretty good. They are stretching out as I wear them. And I don't know about the length of them. I feel like they're just like half an inch short. I'm not sure. The fit around the waist is really good. So it's a maybe. We'll see. The price is really good. The other items. Oh, let me tell you about the necklace. This is the Nakamol Farrah freshwater pearl necklace in gray, $44. Now, some of you might say that's expensive for this, but you have to know Nakamol. Nakamol is a really good quality, and let me read you about the company. This very much appeals to me. The necklace is made in Thailand, and this card that came with it says, "Our mission for over 20 years has been to provide underprivileged people with a dignified work environment and help to keep their families stay together. By purchasing Nakamol jewelry, you are supporting over 100 families in Thailand. Your support goes directly to them." That is what I like to see. I love the company. The products are high quality. I have one other Nakamol necklace that I actually won in a drawing from Teresa, and I actually really like it. And then when they sent this one, it was like, wonderful. So I love the company. That is without a doubt a keeper. Let's look at the last two things. These are the Liverpool. These are what they call Palazzo pants. I think they were a little short on me, but they're a 12 petite. I mean, they were short for Palazzo pants. Palazzo pants are supposed to, I think, come down and like touch the floor, aren't they? Or am I wrong about that? You can tell me. These are the Kaitlynn Drawstring Palazzo pant in size 12P. These are made of a twill. Can you just see? It's like a regular twill. All right. They have the pockets in the back and fairly deep pockets in the front. Elastic waist. Where's those front pockets? Here we go. There we go. Elastic waist is good during COVID times, right? Because we all put on a little extra weight. Here's the drawstring. However, these are $88. And Liverpool does tend to run pricey. Liverpool denim is a pretty high quality. This feels like just a regular twill pant, also made in China. I feel like this is not an $88 pant. I do love the color. I absolutely adore this color. It's one of my favorite colors to wear. As far as the styles in this box, I think my stylist did a good job in picking colors for me and picking styles that I tend to like. I'm not sure how they all looked on me though, so I'm looking for your feedback. The last item is the 41 Hawthorne Tamzen bell sleeve pullover in green, large petite, $58. And here it is again. It is, oh, I'm forgetting now the material. I just looked it up. I know it's 80% rayon, 17% nylon, 3% spandex. It is thick for a rayon. It's not thick, but it's thick for a rayon. I don't know if I want to deal with the wrinkles. I like any shade of green. I like bell sleeves that are narrow on the arm and belled out, but I'm not sure about the 3/4 length. I also think when I watched the video back, this showed a lot more bumps and bulges than I realized. So I'm not sure it's flattering on me unless I lost about 10 pounds, then it might be better. So I'm thinking this is a return, but I still would like your feedback. All right, if you want to learn more about Stitch Fix and if you want a link with credit toward your first fix, if you sign up, just click the description box below. All that stuff will be down there. And I have one more box coming. Over the course of this month, I should be getting a fashion box, and that one I am looking for moving into spring. The Stitch Fix box was still a winter box. And I will see you then. Bye-bye.